ExpressVPN features and performance pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think ExpressVPN pricing is only about unblocking streaming sites. The surprising truth is that the cost reflects speed, global server coverage, advanced security, and usability. Basic plans start around per month and include strong encryption, access to over 90 countries, and decent speeds for casual browsing and streaming. These are great for personal use and light online activities. Mid-tier or annual plans per month if billed yearly offer faster connection speeds, unlimited bandwidth, and access to optimized servers for streaming or gaming. Many users choose this tier to balance cost and high performance for multiple devices. Premium or business-focused options include additional security features like split tunneling, advanced leak protection, and priority support. While prices can range up to per month, these features are essential for high-stakes privacy or professional remote work. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on monthly cost. The real value comes from reliability, speed, and robust encryption that keeps your data safe in any situation. In conclusion, ExpressVPN pricing reflects features, performance, and security. Picking the right plan ensures fast, secure, and reliable connections for streaming, work, or personal use.